Hello friends and welcome to infotainment. Well, in this video we'll discuss what to do if your phone is not turning on by pressing this power button. So here on any Android phone, if it is not turning on, then you can simply look this power button. Sometimes you'll have a volume button here or on the opposite side of the power button. So just press volume down and this power button. It will take you to the recovery mode. For example, this is my OnePlus phone. So it is taking me to this mode. I just press my password here. So once I do that, it's asking me for this thing, and here you can see. So I go to advanced and you can see there is something called reboot to fast boot. So I'll just go back. I don't want to do it right now, but you can do it on your phone. You can select this. So I'll go back, exit. I'll just press on reboot. Reboot now. So you see, it has rebooted to normal. So another method to reboot your phone if it is not switching on normally as it should by pressing this power button is again just hold this power button and then hold this, instead of volume down button, volume up button. So once you do that, this is called hard resetting. Your phone will take you to this BIOS kind of thing. Press volume key to select and press power to select. So fast boot mode, you can go for this fast boot mode, and for example, I just once again press this. I just want to do the fast boot. Let us see. You can see it is starting as usual. So friends, as you can see, it has turned on. So this is how you can do it. Just make sure that before trying all these methods that your battery is enough to switch on your phone. Many times it happens that you don't have enough battery and you try out many things. So first make sure that you have enough battery. First charge it, and if it shows or if you're sure that you have enough battery after charging, then even if it is not switching on, you can try these two methods. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope it is useful. If you found this video useful, please like this video and share this across various platforms so that many people come to know of these ways or methods to switch on their Android phone if it is not switching on properly. So friends, please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such technical videos in future. Till then, see you again, see you soon. Keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.